Dental implants essentials. Dental implants are the leading solution for tooth replacement in the United States, with over 3 million Americans already benefiting from this technology. Each year, more than 500,000 new dental implants are placed across the country. If you are missing one or more teeth, understanding how dental implants work can help you make the best decision for your oral health. A dental implant consists of a small titanium post that is surgically placed into the jawbone, acting as an artificial tooth root. Over several months, the implant fuses naturally with the bone in a process known as osseointegration, creating a stable foundation for a replacement tooth. Once healed, a custom-made crown is attached to the implant, restoring the look and function of your natural tooth. Implants offer several advantages over traditional bridges and dentures. They help preserve jawbone structure, maintain facial appearance, and prevent neighboring teeth from shifting. Dental implants restore nearly all of your chewing ability, allowing you to eat your favorite foods with confidence. In the United States, dental implants have a success rate of over 95%. When placed by experienced professionals, most dental insurance plans now offer partial coverage, and many dental practices in the US provide flexible payment options to make treatment accessible. Ideal candidates for dental implants have healthy gums, sufficient bone density, and good oral hygiene. Even if you have certain health conditions, such as diabetes, you may still qualify for implants with proper management. The cost of a single dental implant in the US typically ranges from $3,000 to $6,000, depending on the complexity of the case and your location. While the initial investment may be higher than other options, dental implants are designed to last for decades, making them a cost-effective long-term solution. Recovery after implant surgery is usually straightforward, with most patients returning to normal activities within a few days. Good oral hygiene and regular dental checkups are essential for long-term success. If you are considering dental implants, schedule a consultation with a qualified implant specialist in your area. Dental implants can restore your smile, confidence, and quality of life for years to come. For more 3D dental animations and expert oral health information, subscribe to Dental Vision 3D Animation.